Hello, I am Dr. Satish Babu, Senior Consultant ENT Head and Neck Surgeon working with the Apollo Hospitals, Bangalore. A cough which is resistant to regular medications probably indicates that either the basic underlying pathology is not corrected, or there is a further sequel of the basic pathology, which is probably infection, which has led to a bit of dryness in the throat. Right. Once the dryness occurs towards the end of the infection, the throat starts feeling a lot more irritated. You feel a lot scratchy, and the sticky sensation is there. It's as if something is stuck in the throat, some mucus is stuck in the throat, and tends to create that sensation to clear the throat often, or cough forcefully to remove that sticky sensation. Right. This is more passive problem, wherein the dryness is the issue. The infection is already gone, but the dryness is what is causing the irritation. So if you keep yourself well hydrated and retain the mucus as much as possible in the throat, you can definitely circumvent this problem, along with the cough syrup also. You can increase your liquid intake, start taking it in small sips, and especially when the irritation comes and when you feel like coughing or clearing your throat, take a few sips. And you can also keep some cardamom or clove or some menthol toffees in the mouth, which will again give you a soothing feeling and keep the throat moist along with the saliva. You can also do some steaming regularly. So all these will moisturize the throat and reduce the sensation to cough regularly. The cough syrup will also suppress the symptoms, and you will feel better at the end of the day. However, if the infection is not gone, that means your fever is persisting, throat is still red, it's more painful, then probably the treatment has to be altered. And if you are already on an antibiotic, and if it is beyond 36 hours and you are not finding any relief, then you could probably think of changing the antibiotic with the consent of the doctor, and look at treating the infection in a better way. The only other issue that will lead to a cough which is very persistent, especially in a wet climate or a cold climate, is allergy. So we see that a lot nowadays in polluted urban areas, where allergy is becoming too frequent and too common, that induces a lot of scratchiness in the throat because of the deposit of dust particles in the throat and nose, and that has to be dealt with anti-allergic medications. And like I said before, good hydration, and of course retaining the mucus in the throat.